Good evening, everyone. So, sa tan gitan ako karon. Thank you so much for watching. I am Kenjin Yuwayan, also your classmate or blockmate. Thank you so much yung pagtanong karon. So, we're going to start na. So, what are the guide questions? Another guide question for our video today. So, first is that, what have you learned in this subject? So, tuplo ko na to ang learn more. Yes, of course, importante ang learn more. So, isa sa mga topic nga ako yung natun-an ko ng subject ay ang planning. So, one topic that really stood out to me is kanang role of planning and organizing in engineering management. So, I learned how important engineering managers also work. So, they don't just focus on technical work. They also give time to focus things and planning also with the tools like the SWOT analysis, scenario planning, and also technical forecasting. So this also helped me understand how decisions are made in a real business environment. So it really made me see engineering management as a balance of leadership, structure, and decision making. So very very important na ako ning na-take nga subject. So kita po ta nga na-take na to ni. So very important kayo, dili siya murag units ra nga to i-take. Tas dahan kita learning nga makuha ni gid. So next question. So, planning. So, next question. How this help my career? Yes. Makatabang gud yun sa akong career. Do, like, katong first ng sulod ng crossing, nga nilang, naminaw ko kang Sir William. Yes, makatdaan ita naton ang good. Kasi ato siya ma-apply sa real life basis. So, kung sa gani siya, of course, the concept are very useful because the engineering work also always involves teams, deadlines, resource, and leadership. Ba importante kayo do like sa pag-help sa organize sa ka structure sa people, everything, organization. Yes. So it prepares me for the future roles where I need to make decisions, coordinate people, and contribute to company in the long-term goal. So everyone. So next question. So realization, yes, na-realize na ko importante kay siya nga kani siya nga subject kanila siya basta-basta lang to i-take daghang kita matkuha nga learning sa mataning planning do importante jud kayo magplano sa samot ng engineering. Yes. So next kay kaning suggestion, wala ko suggestion man ba mag-list ko na ay naadi ay. So isa ka suggestion is that ko lang sir, like could make like a more real world example or case study nga makapanay sa klase bitaw makahatag og interaction sa mo to sir if natay mga role play sada siya role play ano daw, so na siya mga role play or activity nga require bitaw nga mag-organize, I mean mag usa-usa tanan bitaw makahatag tag mga real base nga mga scenario